Our relentless stampede towards wealth and comfort has cracked open our earth. Can you feel her sagging and groaning under the weight of our greed, ecosystems severed, barren, and bleeding, but all hail progress, right? We have bruised and abused and depleted our land, given warning after warning, we bide our time. Knowledge is no longer the great barrier it once was. Earth is shedding her familiar skin. And this home will no longer welcome we who have squandered our humanity on progress.
somewhere to do something, gorging on articles, reports, and statements, acting as if taking in more information will change our fate. The truth is laid out in broad, scorching daylight, written in oil and blood and ash, co-signed by the cries of ancient wisdom. We did this. We've run out of time, and consequences not on our side. you aim your fist in blame, lift up your hand and say yes to the future that is now ours to construct. Despair is not an option. Our ancestors have not survived the catastrophes of war, famine, and enslavement just so that our fragile spines could not even break the glass on our screens. Stop screaming into your boxes and look up! We must press forward. Hope is the only option, is hope is the only option, is hope is the only option, is hope is the only option is to not opt out. We will not opt out. We will not be enslaved by our desire for power, our desperation for power, our dependence on power. But can we regenerate this world with our power, our wealth, our knowledge? Our no holds the power to change. We can't just stop this train of progress. We must reroute. We must heal the damage. We must.
The one thing we need more than hope is action. Once we start to act, hope is everywhere. So instead of looking for hope, look for action. Then, and only then, hope will come.